Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to play the Hive Minecraft server with your friends. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, both of you and your friends, okay, should have a Microsoft account. Make sure that all of you are logged in so that you'll be able to play online. So once that's done, click on play right here, go ahead over to servers, find the Hive, click on it, click on play, and just wait for it to load. Okay, you and your friends should do the same thing. Download the Hive, open it, and just wait for it. And then once you're in here, all you got to do is just basically find what? The book item right here. Okay, it says friends. To use it, just right click and then add a friend. Type down their username, for example, that, and then just click on submit. Okay, and then after that, your friends should go ahead and open up the book as well. Okay, open up their book and manage invites, accept your invitation. And then once you and your friends are now friends in this game or server, open up this, what do you call this, party item, and then just right click and just invite players. Invite one of your friends. You can go ahead and invite up to 4, I think, if you're just using the free version. Okay, invite them. And your friends should accept you right here, incoming invites. And then once all of you is in the same party, you can now then go ahead and find a game mode right here. For example, we have Bed Wars. Okay. Wait for it. And then just find duos. Okay. Duos or whatever. You have here duos, solo, and squads, okay, up to 4, I think. That's basically it. Just click on one and Hive right here will just automatically do the work for you. All of your friends or your friend will be joining the same mode as well. And that is it. That's just how easy it is to play Hive Minecraft server with friends. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.